I'm Laura, and this is Kevin, and we're from Epic Enterprises. So what's the problem out there? Queues everywhere to get your food, right? We've all been stuck in queues before, right? Doesn't it drive us nuts? And what's the problem? Because consumers have actually told us they spend at least 10 minutes in the morning queuing for their food. They've even walked away from queues. And on the merchant side, they've also said they have a shortage of manpower, they have poor management, queue management. So, and what do they have in the market? The app solutions that they have delivery services, table reservations, queuing services, and in-store ordering apps galore. I mean, when's the last time you saw it? You didn't see a tablet on your table, right? But there's a gap in the market, takeaway service. So the wait is over. Introducing CutQ, the fastest way to get your F&B in Singapore. CutQ is Singapore's first F&B takeaway ordering app. So whether the night before you're on your phone or you're on the bus or MRT, instead of surfing Facebook or watching your Korean shows, you can browse through our app and go through all the menus from the wide array of stores that we have. Choose to order instantly, where the cafe will let you know how long it will take, then you can make your way there, or an advance order of 30 minutes and beyond. And then you can pay in-app using your credit card or charge to your SingTel bill, and simply stroll to the store, pick it up, and enjoy your day. So our app features promotions, favorites, nearby, recents, what's the hottest trending cafe right now, and a map feature to show you what are the cafes participating in CutQ around Singapore. And it's available on both iOS and Android come November 2014. What are our value propositions to both customers and merchants? It helps them to save time because you don't have to queue anymore. And order and payment is done by the customer, so merchants they save time on that as well. They save money, they improve productivity, increase sales, provides convenience because no physical cash is involved, and they increase reach and awareness because there's a wide pool of customers and a wide range of stores on board. And don't just take it from us. There's actually real-world validation. For example, one of the stores, a cafe in Singapore, actually had their own store-dedicated app to help them with in-store ordering and takeaway. And from that, they learned that there are no operational issues. They freed up 2 cashiers to do what's most important, prepare food, and increased their sales by 80%. But their problem is they can't seem to get people to download the app. But of course, they're a cafe, that's not their business. Our business is the app business, which is why we will work, because we are a platform to bring both consumers and cafes together. So how do we get users to use this? Of course, we have Marketing 101, right? We have to do our online stuff, our in-store ads, and traditional advertising. But we also have exciting campaigns coming up, like Empowered, the classic Bing, and pop culture, but you have to speak to me to find out what these campaigns are. And we can get the word out from lifestyle, F&B, and tech media contacts on our fingertips, as well as 100 of our beta testers and joint events with merchants. How do we make money? I'll hand it over to Kevin.
So how do we monetize this? Well, we have sign-up fees, and obviously you've heard of all the government subsidies, including the ICV and PIC. So the merchants can utilize all these to make their businesses better. We also have transaction fees, subscription fees, and advertising should they want these. So how big is the market for us? So the F&B industry is a $7.2 billion industry, and if we assume to transact less than 0.3%, we end up transacting $21 million worth of F&B transactions. That means we'll be profitable after 1 month of launch and be able to earn our first million in profit within 20 months of launch. We're also on the fast track. We have 19 restaurants, 9 fast food outlets, 30 cafes with expressions of interest, and assuming they go for the premium ICV package of $5,000, that is over $250,000 in revenue almost immediately as we launch. We also have spring endorsement, which means we get the mentor and the grant, and we already have a professional distributor who's willing to sell our software, where they already have existing clients in the F&B industry. We intend to synergize with SingTel through the subscribers, through the payment of through the OnePay, as well as the SingTel bill, or exclusive benefits. And we have already met with Hungry Go Where, who are considering us business partners and have introduced us to their clients as well. The final way we can integrate with them, of course, is through the Hungry Go app itself. People can then choose to purchase through CutQ's API through the Hungry Go app. So food for thought, if you got good food, we all know, long queue. No queue, lousy food. But if you want good food and no queue, CutQ. The choice is clear. And this is the team. Thank you.